When put in different contexts, this amendment simply states that all women have the right to vote, just as men do. This amendment was founded by women who believed in the famous saying in the Declaration of Independence that all men were created equal. Along with the struggle of slavery, women also wanted their rights. This resulted in the proposal of the 19th Amendment, which was introduced to Congress in 1878. Later on, after World War I ended, the amendment was adopted because of the women's involvement in industry. Though this has taken decades to achieve, women finally had gotten the right to vote. At first, the amendment wasn't taken seriously. Many states still restricted the women's suffrage. But in the August of 1995, the 19th Amendment celebrated its 75th anniversary of its ratification. It took 70 years to finally get it ratified as an amendment, but because of the women's dedication, today women can vote without hesitation. But even after the 19th Amendment was ratified, cases like Breedlove v. Settles court case still occurred. This case suggests that a Georgia law offends the equality of voting by placing a poll tax on citizens within the age of 21 and 60, and for women only if they were registered to vote. This amendment gives equal ground to both men and women in the United States. This amendment is still in place, as for every woman at the age of 18 and older can vote at every election. This amendment is very important in that way. If the 19th Amendment wasn't ratified, or if the women never stood up for their rights, things would be very different. Women wouldn't have been allowed to serve their country or have any particular say in a matter. Without the 19th Amendment, women couldn't have even started a movement for equality, which would mean that half the population's vote wouldn't count, even when they're counted in the House of Representatives. The right to vote is very important, and everyone deserves to share their opinion. Even with the 19th Amendment possibly becoming a reality, some women still stood against it. Though some of these women were only afraid of the consequences of protesting, these women feared getting arrested, hackled, or even abused. But some women took their chances, and because of them, the 19th Amendment